Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook summer squash. First, choose fresh, firm squash without any soft spots or blemishes. Give them a good wash under cool water, then carefully trim off both the stem and blossom ends. For even cooking, slice your squash into uniform pieces, aiming for about 1/2 inch in thickness. This ensures every bite is perfectly tender and delicious. There are several fantastic ways to cook summer squash. Sautéing is quick, taking just 5 to 7 minutes in a hot pan with a little oil until it's tender crisp. For a deeper flavor, try roasting it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you love a smoky taste, grilling for 3 to 5 minutes per side will give you a beautiful char and a wonderful aroma. Seasoning is key to bringing out the best in your summer squash. A simple sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper, along with a generous drizzle of good olive oil, is often all you need. Don't hesitate to add fresh herbs like chopped basil, thyme, or oregano for an aromatic boost. And for a bright, zesty finish, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice right before serving makes all the difference. Cooked summer squash is incredibly versatile and pairs well with many meals. It makes a fantastic, healthy side dish for almost any main course. You can also easily incorporate it into your favorite pasta dishes or stir-fries for added texture and nutrition. For a light and flavorful meal, try adding it to frittatas, quiches, or even a fresh summer salad. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.